Well, hello again, AJ Shaver here, and yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt. This is a bonus video from the one that we did just a few minutes ago because you guys are so predictable. I can already read the comments in the video that we just did before they're even written. People are gonna say, oh, it was maple, it was poplar, that's why the saw was cutting so fast. And you Karens just wanna rain on my parade. So guess what? I just put 4 pieces of oak actually, a maple, and a mystery piece is in the infeed right now. So this is all hardwood stuff because I know my machine and it cuts very fast and it makes me happy. Haha. No, seriously, all kidding aside, guys. Yeah, like I said, the other video wasn't staged. It was just stuff that we had on the deck. And yes, processing wood makes me happy, and it is my sawdust therapy. But there are certain parts of the country where it is spruce. It's just all kinds of just softer stuff. So I'll use that as an excuse that we're well-rounded and diversified in what we cut, because I don't know where you're watching this from. You could be from British Columbia or out in the Midwest or maybe on the far west. So this is how the saw performs in a variety of firewood. And so what we have on the deck right now, again, this is the extended frame. We do have a lot of longer pieces up on here. Not quite sure what this one is going in. It might be another piece of poplar, but the way it's twisted, I don't know. I definitely know this one's oak. This one's another oak, a rock oak, and then a hard maple. And so we'll get this stuff run across the deck and see how she does in some good verified hardwood logs. at 12 minutes and 30 seconds, and that's with me moving the conveyor 2 times. So I had to walk away from the controls. So with what's in the hopper here and going across everything, there's about a 3/4 full bag there. I'm gonna call that a 10-minute cord on camera.
I'm going to keep the video rolling just because people are going to naysay it. There's about a wheelbarrow full here. We've got a couple pieces on the ground that shot out of the trough just because we were going so fast on both sides. So we'll call that 2 wheelbarrows. Cleaner's just about emptied out. The conveyor's got one more scraggly piece going up it.
And so for whatever reason, at 5% battery, the camera decided it was going to turn itself off.
So before I was rudely interrupted, you can see we're about, a foot away from being a full bag. But again, we're over full on this one, so I'll kick some of this over to there to even it out. Plus what we have up on the deck itself that I haven't cleaned off. Didn't want to bore you with that. This one's about where it needs to be, and there's our previous 2, so. 12 minutes, and let's see, 3 bags at $85 a bag. That's $250.
Technology is nice when it works, but it keeps interrupting me. So 3 bags filled in about 10 minutes worth of time, $255 worth of value, which is crazy for a one-man band in 10 minutes time. So again, I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to wrap this up. 2% battery. AJ Shaver, Shaver Sales. Thanks for watching. 833 splitter. It's 833-775-4887. Email me, sales@shaverequipment.com. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you later. Thanks. 1% battery. Trough is empty. And the bag over there is full.